What is going on, everybody? This is day 47, I cannot believe it, of on the path to $30,000 a month. I hope everyone's having a wonderful day. If you're watching this, I hope you're having an amazing day. Today is going to be pretty, I think, short. I am running into some issues, so I ran out of vinyl, which is not good. I mean, I have like 1.5 feet left of vinyl, which is really like 1/2 foot of vinyl because it can really only use so much in a design. And I have a Cybertruck decal I gotta get done, or a Super Bee decal, sorry, a Super Bee decal, a Challenger Super Bee decal, and it's massive, so I cannot do that order yet, so I have to email the customer and tell them it's gonna be, either it's gonna be late or I'm gonna refund you because I don't have any vinyl. It's coming right now, but it's taken a while. You know, one of the hardest things about growing this business is keeping up with inventory, because I'm used to a certain amount of inventory getting sold every month, or getting used every month. And now that I'm making more, I'm using up more of my inventory quicker, and I'm not adjusting to it properly. It's my mistake, 100%. I just wish I was able to keep track of all, like there's so many things. There's like tape, envelopes, ink, vinyl, cutter tools. Like I'm just saying some of these, like these are just some of them. Like there's so many things that come into play. Yeah, I'm struggling with keeping everything in stock. I wish there was a quicker way to get this vinyl. It's still gonna take a couple days, so I'm gonna have to let them know, unfortunately. So gotta do that. I'm gonna get back to the suppliers and get my stickers, and then we got mug boat orders, and then I'm gonna try to get more mug boats out today. Yeah, it shouldn't be like a crazy long day, but that is just how it's going to start. So and just really quick, I just want to say thank you so much, everybody that have been messaging me and commenting on my videos. I'm sorry I haven't gotten back to you quickly. Like, I'm working and then I'm editing, so it's really hard sometimes to get back, but I promise I'll get back to you. It's just gonna take maybe a day or so. But thank you so much. The support, people are coming in and commenting on my videos. You guys are amazing. I really appreciate it. That being said, let's get started, and I'll see you guys in a bit. So unfortunately, since my cutter wasn't working, I had to reuse these decals, and it took forever to de-weed, so I actually edited that pretty hard. Now we are working on client orders, so we're getting those out. I'm printing out some labels, getting those all shipped out. Ran out of thermal paper, but that's all good because I got more. And now we are labeling all these packages. And then we got all these stickers that we got to cut out. I decided to change this up a little bit, show you guys the machine cutting out all the stickers for the first time, I think. And then I'm peeling the stickers off, I'm packaging them all up, and yeah, that's pretty much it. So it looks like we are actually done with all of our customer orders for the most part. I also got a TikTok shop order yesterday for a mug boat, so I gotta get that done. And then I think we're gonna do an FBA shipment, get that out. That'll probably be the end of the day. And then we're gonna go over yesterday's revenue. Enjoy! All right, so I had a couple mug boat orders I had to get out, so I decided to record that as well. Took a little break, took a little 25-minute e-bike ride down to the beach. So I stopped by the bank, had to get some personal stuff done, and then I went and got a car wash. I think this is just gonna be the end of the video. Honestly, I know I should get more mug boats out, but I can do that tomorrow. I'm just kind of exhausted today and kind of want a more lenient day. I feel like every day is pretty hectic, so we'll get those out tomorrow. But yeah, let's go over yesterday's revenue and see how much money we made. All right, so starting with the TikTok order, we made $13.45. And then on eBay, we made $44.34, which is not bad. And then on our Shopify, we made $44.99 on that decal on my website. And then our total on Amazon was $555.55 yesterday. All right, so our total was $658. So yeah, not bad. All right, so we are at $11,311. We need to be at $17,000. We're behind, but we got this. I think we got this. We are a little bit halfway through the month. I think with you guys and your support and our motivation on our journey, I think we can get there. So really appreciate y'all watching this video. I know it was short, but I do appreciate every single one of you watching. It really helps. And also, if you did enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up. And also, if you're not subscribed, please subscribe down below if you love the video. I make a video every single day, so tomorrow will be day 48, which is crazy. So I hope to see you all there. Happy Friday to all of you. Have a great weekend, and I will see you all tomorrow for day 48. All right, peace out.